Alright, so I'm gonna sing y'all a song that I originally wrote called Rebuilding and Rehealing. So I hope you guys like it. I'm broken inside. My heart's torn to pieces and I can't bear this pain. My dreams of us have faded away. I'm rebuilding the wall you tore down again, and I'm insecure, unconfident, so I wrote you the song. I love not just for you, my dear, my dear. Your ocean lies caught me with every wave, from crashing shore to shore, alone, alone. I'm healing the heart that you tore apart again. I'm vulnerable, alone, alone. So I wrote you this song. I love no just for you, my dear, I'm leaving this world tonight. I'm leaving this world tonight. So one last kiss, one last touch for us, for us. So I wrote you the song. I love no just for you, my dear, my dear, my